see through underneath. I thought it was like a glass bridge. Like we went into.
Nestled between towering Alpine peaks in the crystal clear waters of Lake Hallstatt lies one of Europe's most breathtaking villages. Welcome to Hallstatt, Austria, a place so picturesque that it seems to have stepped straight out of a fairy tale. With its charming lakeside houses, stunning mountain scenery, and a history spanning over 7,000 years, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is far more than a postcard-perfect destination. Join us as we explore the enchanting streets, fascinating history, and unforgettable landscapes of Austria's most iconic village. Our Hallstatt adventure begins at the base of Salzberg Mountain, where visitors gather at the funicular station for a scenic ride to the top. Before boarding, we stopped at the ground station to purchase our funicular tickets. To save time, we had already booked our salt mine tickets online in advance, allowing us to head straight toward the mountain experience. As the funicular climbs the steep mountainside, breathtaking views of Hallstatt village, the crystal clear lake, and the surrounding Alpine peaks unfold below. From above, it is easy to see why Hallstatt and the surrounding Dockstein region were designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for their outstanding natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. The mountain above Hallstatt is more than just a spectacular viewpoint. Hidden within it lies one of the world's oldest salt mines, where people have been extracting white gold for over 7,000 years. This precious resource shaped the village's history and brought prosperity to the region long before modern tourism arrived. With stunning UNESCO-listed landscapes all around us and centuries of history waiting ahead, we're now ready to explore the legendary Hallstatt salt mine. As soon as we stepped out of the funicular, we headed straight to the famous World Heritage View, one of Hallstatt's most iconic attractions. Built on a platform high above the village, this viewpoint offers a breathtaking panoramic view of Hallstatt, Lake Hallstatt, and the surrounding Alps. Arriving early in the morning turned out to be the perfect decision, with only a few visitors around and plenty of space to enjoy the scenery. And wow, what a view! From the platform, Hallstatt's charming lakeside village stretches out below, framed by the sparkling waters of Lake Hallstatt and the majestic Alpine peaks beyond. It's one of those rare places where reality looks even more beautiful than the photographs. Standing here, it's easy to understand why millions of visitors from around the world come to experience the magic of Hallstatt for themselves. After taking in the incredible views, we began the short walk to the Hallstatt salt mine. Along the way, it's worth remembering that this mountain holds one of the oldest known salt mines in the world. For more than 7,000 years, people have been extracting salt here, a resource so valuable it was once known as white gold. The wealth generated by these ancient mines helped Hallstatt flourish and turn this remote Alpine settlement into an important center of trade and culture. In fact, the mine's historical significance is so great that an entire prehistoric period in Europe, the Hallstatt culture, was named after this remarkable region. Upon arriving at the salt mine, we met our guide and prepared for the underground adventure ahead. Before entering, everyone put on the traditional white protective suit, a long-standing part of the salt mine experience. Dressed and ready, we followed our guide through the tunnel leading to the mine entrance, eager to step inside a world that has been shaped by thousands of years of salt mining history. As we ventured deeper into the mountain, a network of tunnels revealed the fascinating world hidden beneath Hallstatt. One of the most exciting parts of the tour is the miner's wooden slide. Instead of taking stairs, visitors can slide down to the lower levels of the mine just as miners once did. It's a fun and memorable experience that adds a sense of adventure to this journey through thousands of years of history. At each of these levels, our guides shared stories about the mine's history, ancient mining techniques, and the importance of salt in shaping the region. You can also watch the multimedia presentations.
Planet Earth 250 million years ago. The supercontinent is arid and hot. Our salt deposits are being formed.
Es bilden sich Lagunen und Binnenmeere, die durch Barrieren vom offenen Ozean abgetrennt werden.
Inland waters form, separated from the open ocean by barriers.
Das warme Klima und die intensive Sonneneinstrahlung lässt mehr Wasser verdunsten, als nachkommen kann. Das Binnenmeer trocknet aus und übrig bleibt Salz, das sich mit anderen Mineralien ablagert. Dieser Vorgang wiederholt sich mehrmals.
The hot climate causes more water to evaporate than can be replenished. Repeatedly, the inland sea dries up and salt, deposited with other minerals, remains.
Es folgen unruhige Zeiten. Vulkane brechen aus. Sedimente wie Ton und Sand lagern sich auf den Salzschichten ab und im Laufe von tausenden Jahren wird diese Salzmixtur immer mächtiger.
Turbulent times begin. Volcanoes erupt. Sediments remain on the salt layers. Over the years, this salt...
At the end of the tour, we come across an ancient wooden ladder, a powerful reminder of how miners once worked deep inside this mountain with simple tools and incredible effort. It gives a real sense of the history carved into these tunnels over thousands of years. From here, we board the small underground train that takes us back through the narrow tunnels of the salt mine. As it slowly moves through the darkness, it feels like traveling back through time, retracing the path miners once took every day. Finally, we emerge back into the light, ending an unforgettable journey through Hallstatt's historic salt mine. After finishing the salt mine adventure, we take the funicular back down to the ground station, slowly descending the mountainside with sweeping views of Hallstatt and Lake Hallstatt unfolding once again below us. Back at the base, we follow the dedicated walking path into the village. Cars are not allowed in this part of Hallstatt, so everything feels calm, peaceful, and almost timeless. The path gently leads us toward the heart of the town, with the lake shimmering beside us and the Alps rising dramatically in the background. As we enter the village, Hallstatt reveals its true charm. Wooden houses painted in soft pastels line the narrow streets, each balcony overflowing with colorful flowers. Small cafes, traditional homes, and quiet corners create a postcard-perfect atmosphere at every turn. We stroll slowly through the center, taking in the reflections on the lake, the sound of church bells in the distance, and the rhythm of everyday life in one of Europe's most beautiful villages. Every angle feels like a painting: calm water, alpine peaks, and vibrant streets blending into a perfect scene. From lakeside views to flower-filled alleys, this walk through Hallstatt is not just a journey through a village, but a walk through living history and unmatched natural beauty. As we continue our walk through Hallstatt, we pass by the Museum of Hallstatt World Heritage. Even from outside, it's clear that this small museum plays an important role in preserving the village's incredible history. Hallstatt is not just about beautiful scenery, it is one of the oldest continuously inhabited settlements in Europe, with a history deeply tied to salt mining and the ancient Hallstatt culture that shaped early European civilization. We continue our walk into Hallstatt's charming market square, surrounded by colorful, traditional buildings that feel straight out of a postcard. This small open space sits at the heart of the village, where locals and visitors gather amid cafes, shops, and flower-filled balconies. With the backdrop of the Alps and the calm lake just steps away, the marketplace perfectly captures the beauty and quiet rhythm of Hallstatt life. From the market square, we make our way toward the Church of Christ, one of Hallstatt's most peaceful and historic landmarks. Its elegant spire rises above the village rooftops, offering a striking contrast against the surrounding Alpine peaks. Set right along the lakeside, the church reflects Hallstatt's deep cultural and spiritual heritage, standing quietly for centuries as the village evolved around it. The calm atmosphere here, combined with the view of the lake and mountains, makes it one of the most serene spots in the entire village. From the Church of Christ, we continue our walk along the lakeside paths toward another panoramic viewpoint. The route itself is peaceful, with reflections of the mountains shimmering on the water and traditional wooden houses lining the shore. As we arrive, the view opens up beautifully. Hallstatt spreads out below us, framed by the deep blue lake and dramatic Alpine peaks rising on all sides. It's one of those moments where everything feels still, calm, and almost unreal. We pause here to simply take it all in, enjoying another sweeping view of this unforgettable village. We then climb a narrow, picturesque passage leading up toward the Church of St. Mary, a quiet and beautiful path tucked between traditional houses and stone walls. The climb is gentle but scenic, with glimpses of the lake and mountains opening up as we go higher. At the top, we reach the church, a peaceful landmark that reflects Hallstatt's deep spiritual heritage. Just beside it lies the small mountain cemetery, one of the most photographed in Austria, known for its neatly decorated wooden crosses, fresh flowers, and its dramatic Alpine backdrop. Standing here, surrounded by silence and sweeping views of the village below, it feels like a place where history, nature, and everyday life come together in perfect harmony. Next, we visit the famous Hallstatt Ossuary, also known as the Bone House, located beside the Church of St. Mary. This small chapel holds a remarkable and slightly unusual part of the village's history. Inside, you'll find over 600 painted skulls, each carefully arranged and decorated with names, dates, and floral patterns. This tradition began centuries ago due to limited burial space in the mountain cemetery. After a period of burial, bones were exhumed, and the skulls were preserved and painted as a way to honor the dead and keep their memory alive. It's a quiet, reflective place that offers a very different perspective on life and death in this historic Alpine village. After the visit to the ossuary, we begin our walk back down toward the village, following scenic paths that wind through Hallstatt's charming streets and viewpoints. Every step offers new postcard-like scenes, wooden houses with flower-filled balconies, narrow alleys, and glimpses of the lake shimmering between buildings. As we descend, the peaceful rhythm of the village surrounds us, with the sound of water and distant church bells adding to the atmosphere. The mountains stand tall in the background, framing the entire journey in natural beauty. We continue all the way back toward Insel Island, taking in one final look at this unforgettable blend of history, culture, and breathtaking scenery. We arrive at Insel Island, a peaceful little spot connected to the village, offering one of the most relaxing viewpoints in Hallstatt. Surrounded by calm, crystal-clear waters, the island feels like a quiet escape right in the heart of the lake. From here, the view is simply stunning. Hallstatt's colorful houses line the shore, reflected perfectly in the water, while the towering Alps rise dramatically behind the village. It's a picture-perfect ending point where you can sit back and take in the full beauty of this UNESCO World Heritage landscape. And with that, our journey through Hallstatt comes to an end. From mountain peaks to lakeside streets, every moment has been unforgettable. Thanks for watching. See you in the next adventure. See you soon with another video on unscripted days. Safe travels!